What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu Benchmark Comparison between the Asus Rog Phone 2 against the Redmi K20 Pro. The Rog Phone 2 has the new Snapdragon 855 Plus and the Redmi K20 Pro with the regular Snapdragon 855. This is also the Tencent version model, so it only has 8GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Rog Phone finished first, and overall it scored higher. And I want to mention that this is Antutu version 7, so the scores ain't going to be high as the beta version of Antutu 8. As for the breakdown of the categories, the Rog Phone 2 scored the highest on each of the categories, in particular the GPU, due to the extra power of the Snapdragon 855 Plus. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up I am also planning to do a camera comparison, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release that video. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.